Well, hope y'all are having a good Saturday. Hopefully you've had nice time off for your weekend, unlike me. I thought I'd share with y'all a very special piece of my collection, probably the oldest knife I own. I know it's not real catchy, but for Bone Saturday, what you see before you is a horseman's knife. And you might be asking yourself, what is a horseman's knife? Well, according to Levine's, if y'all need to, pause that. So you can read the description of a horseman's knife. Now, according to Google, a horseman's knife is a versatile folding tool designed for equestrians, combining a standard blade with other specialized tools like hoof picks, hoof knives, frog knife, bot knife, hole enlarger, also known as an awl, and thinning combs. A versatile tool for hoof maintenance and equipment repair. Now, as you can see, this knife shows its age, but still functions very, very well. This handle scale is crack free. The jig bone is quite beautiful. Right here by the tip of this corkscrew, it's missing a chunk right by that bottom pin, unfortunately. We do have the hoof pick, which has to be open to access this corkscrew and awl. This knife is still very, very tight. Excellent build quality, and it has survived this long. That should be a testament to the quality. Main blade's worn down some, not too bad. This smaller blade is a bear to open. Let me wipe some of that oil out of there so y'all can see this tang stamp better. Thorpe, Sheffield. And on the small blade it looks like an upside down T for their maker's mark. Can't really see the upside down T on the main blade. Just Thorpe, Sheffield. Now, those of you who know anything about knives automatically know that since the country of origin, England, is not stamped into the tang, that you should automatically assume this is pre-1890, which is correct. Let me do this one more time. So, how old is it? Levine's Guide to Knives and Their Values, extensively revised 4th edition, shows us three different Thorpes: George, Joseph, and T. Thorpe. George is not involved in this knife. It shows they are all in Sheffield, England manufacturers. It shows George Thorpe, circa 1893. We know that can't be right because England is not stamped on the knife, but it shows Joseph Thorpe, 1853 to 1873, and lists nothing under T. Thorpe, kind of like they're both in the same category. And Goins shows let me get this adjusted just a hair. T. Thorpe, Sheffield, 1853 to 1873, just like Levine's, and mentions Joseph Thorpe was in Sheffield, England. So Joseph and T. Thorpe are listed on the same line in Goins' Encyclopedia of Cutlery Markings. So I think the upside down T on the small blade was the maker's mark for Joseph Thorpe. Very cool, very old knife that works very well still. I thought y'all would enjoy an old piece of Sheffield cutlery. Y'all have a good Saturday. This is Hillbilly Proud. Hope y'all found this informational, fun, cool. Y'all have a good one.